Hey there, let's compare real estate in different worlds. Dallas, Texas versus California 500K showdown. Let's check it out and see how much you can get in California versus Dallas, Texas. In California, you might get a small condo or townhome, maybe 900 square feet, one bed, one bath if you're lucky. But here in Dallas, let me show you. New construction home, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, over 3,200 square feet. Base price start at $495,000. And guess what? Lower property taxes, no state income tax, and more house for your money. Thinking about relocating? Grab my free DFW relocation guide, link on my bio. Better yet, call or text Zen at 214-695-1645 or email is good as well at zen@zenmago.com.